salmon on all of them.
Hello all, welcome back. If you're new here, my name's Kennedy. If you notice I have a bit of a change of scenery today, it's because I'm actually at my parents' house for the week. I watched my cousins while their parents were out of town this past weekend. And then next weekend, we're actually going to Yellowstone for kind of an annual family camping trip that we do. We stay in Island Park and then we go to Yellowstone usually for a day, and it's super fun. But I didn't want to have to drive all the way back to Boise because this is the direction that Yellowstone is in. So I decided just to stay here the whole week at my parents' house and actually have the whole week off. So I'm excited to get up to some fun activities. My mom is working today, but she has most of the week off, so she can help entertain me. I kind of debated if I wanted to record a vlog this weekend, this week. I did want to make sure that I'm resting for sure, but honestly, I thought it'd be kind of fun to show that you don't have to go on a big vacation to have restful time off, fun time off. So that's what we're gonna do this weekend. I definitely think we'll get up to some fun crafts, probably go thrift shopping. I'm getting a pedicure this afternoon, which I'm looking forward to. But yeah, it's gonna be a fun weekend. I did want to show you a couple projects I've been working on recently. I wanted to give you an update. If you watched my vlogs, I finished this crocheted bag and it turned out so cute. I'm obsessed with it. I crocheted in this like sequiny glitter yarn and I think it looks so pretty. I have been using it mainly without the clip because the clips kind of gets in the way, but I do think it's really cute with the little clip. I got this clip off Amazon in a set, so I love that. I would love to work on another crochet project, but I don't know what I want to make. I'd like to make something fallish. I did look at yarn at Hobby Lobby today, but it's not on sale and it'll be on sale next week, so I always feel kind of silly buying it when it's not on sale. So I don't know what I want to make. Comment any ideas you have below of fun, like fallish crochet projects. Another thing I've been making are these little flower necklaces. My dogs are getting in the way of me recording this intro. They've been fighting. Clemmy, no, come here. Anyway, I have been making these fun flower necklaces. I need to like iron out the leather cording on this one, but I made this cute green one. And I made a couple other of these using polymer and air dry clay. So those are fun. And then using polymer clay, I made this little charm for this tea diffuser. I had a cute heart-shaped diffuser that I accidentally put down my garbage disposal and it broke. So I ordered these new ones, but I wanted to do something fun with it. So I did this little moon and star charm using clay. And I have a second one, so I have to decide what I want to put on the second one, maybe like a flower or something. Anyway, I thought that was cute. And then I've been loving watercolor recently. I did this little cute sheep design because I watched the Sheep Detectives on Prime. I've been wanting to watch it and I have to say it was so cute. If you haven't seen it yet, it's such a good like comfort movie, but it's also funny and there's like a murder element to it, so I loved it. But I did this cute little guy. If you've seen it, a winter lamb is the best lamb. You'll understand that. But I love watercolor. I wouldn't say like that's my greatest strength, like drawing and watercoloring, painting. But I do enjoy it and I don't get too serious about it. So just a few of the things I've been working on recently. I do want to read this weekend. I picked up this book from Barnes & Noble, Throne of Secrets. I read the first one. If you read Kingdom of the Wicked, it's in the same world as those. I read Kingdom of the Wicked, but I haven't read the other two. And then the one before this is Throne of the Fallen. So I read Throne of the Fallen quite a while ago, but I know these are like very exciting. So I thought this would be a good book to read. It's like fantasy. And I got this cute crocheted bookmark at an estate sale the other day. I love that. But yeah, so the plan for this afternoon, I want to read, maybe I'll do some watercoloring outside, and then I have my appointment to get my pedicure. So those are the big things for today, but I'm excited to see what else we get up to, and I thought it'd be fun to take you along for it. Oh, and I watercolored this with my cousins the other day. I ended up going with a bright red color. I don't think there's really any better color for a pedicure than a bright red. I almost went with this hot pink color, but I kind of had a similar color on previously, so I went red. And then I went to Goodwill, which is right next door, and I want to collect some baskets for a party I want to host for autumn. So I picked up that basket, and then I love spode dishes for Christmas time, and I found this little baking container. It says dishwasher microwave safe. I don't know if it's oven safe. I would hope so, but I think it's really cute. And then I stopped into Michael's because I kind of wanted like some sort of needlepoint cross stitch project to work on, especially when we're camping. I think it'd be nice. So I picked up, this is a needlepoint canvas, and it's super cute. It looks like Lake Como, where I went in Italy a few years ago. So I think it should be fun. I've never needle pointed before, but I think needlepoint seems easier than cross stitch, so I think it should be fine. But we'll see how that goes. I thought this was cute. So I'm going to head home now. I did receive my Nuuly in the mail yesterday, and I haven't tried this stuff on yet, which is crazy for me. So I think we should probably do a try on of the things that I got. Okay, first up is this cute top from Free People. It's like completely backless, so I don't really know what we would do here with this one. Also, I think it has to be this tight in order for it to fit. I don't know. This isn't my favorite thing I've ever gotten from Free People, but it is pretty. The fabric is really, really thin, but she's cute. Could be a fun moment. And then I got this Damson Matter skirt, which I think is so cute. Such a good like in between fall and summer skirt, and I can wear it to work. I love this piece. Okay, I absolutely adore this romper from, I think it's Anthropologie. Is it not stunning? It feels like a dress, but it's actually shorts, which is so fun. Like the lace doily detailing, the cross stitch. Like, I'm sure this is an expensive piece, but I would keep this. This is another cute Anthropologie one. This is a little plaid dress. I think this is super cute. I actually might wear this in Yellowstone the day we're there. It's very comfortable, good length with a pair of shorts underneath. It'll be perfect. Okay, I'm gonna have to style this Free People dress as a skirt because the top just like, I'll show you how like thin it is, but also it doesn't fit me at all. I usually have pretty good luck with Free People dresses, so I'm kind of disappointed. I was really excited about this one. But yeah, I think if it's thin enough, I think I could put like a little top over it or something. But that's a bummer. Okay, and then I got this adorable blank NYC jacket. It's like a quilted jacket, and it's so cute. I love the daisies. I got this because it'll probably be a little chilly there. Is your bed? So cute. Daisy, did you get a sister? Her eyes are so blue. Okay, sister. Joe, we're off. Did you eat that? Probably not. took a video, but my mom seriously has like a flock of birds over, honestly in her whole yard, but over by her garden. There's so many of them. Last night there was a bunch of quail, which are so cute, and the dogs are dogs, and they tried to chase after them. And I'm not kidding you, it literally felt like 50 birds flew up from the garden. It was very funny. And there's like a squirrel on the roof. I don't know what's going on right now. Anyway, yesterday was really fun. I went thrifting with my mom and my grandma. I did pick up a couple things. I picked up a few things over the last couple of days that I haven't showed you yet, so I feel like I'll have to do a recap at the end of my trip. But that was fun, and then we got to meet my aunt and uncle's new puppy. So my aunt and uncle have a corgi named Daisy that is about a year old, and they just got a second corgi to give her little friend. And so Daisy's a tricolored, and then Beatrice is the new corgi's name. They're gonna call her B for short, but she is a Merle corgi, and she has the prettiest blue eyes. She is adorable. So we'll hopefully get to see her a couple more times while I'm here, but that was really fun. And then yeah, my mom and I did some crafts. I started that needlepoint project, which is really fun. I get why people like needlepoint. I would say it's a lot easier than cross stitch for sure. So now I'm like, do I need to invest in needlepoint supplies? I think I would paint my own canvases. I don't think it would be that hard. I don't know. I've seen some really cute canvases. Maybe I'll try to do like a fall one. That seems pretty easy. But anyway, I don't actually know what we're gonna get up to today. I wouldn't mind getting some yarn to make a crocheted headscarf. I've tried to do it before, but I think I bought the wrong yarn last time. So I wouldn't mind doing that. I think I'd just get like a light cotton yarn. But yeah, I don't really know what we're gonna get up to today. I know we're going to dinner with some of my family, so that'll be nice, but just thought I would give you a little update. I always steal this from my mom when I'm home. It's a hair and body mist, but let's see what scent it is. It's like a coconut scent. It smells so good. Oh, it's St. Bart's is the name of it, but it smells delicious.
So Kennedy has been home in Twin Falls for a bit. She's been taking care of my nephews, and I told her that I had a surprise for her this week. So I told her just now to go get on her cutest dress that she brought with her to Twin Falls, and we're gonna go somewhere fun. Just had the salmon on all of them.
Morning, it's the next day now. The last I spoke to you guys, I was like, I don't really know what we're gonna do today. And then my mom surprised me with afternoon tea at this new tea house. If you're in the Twin Falls area, it's located in Kimberly. It's called Mrs. Fox's Tea House, I think. It was so cute. Honestly, like the inside was adorable. They did such a good job with it. It was decorated so cute. Sorry, I have like a Hamilton hair on me. But yeah, it was really fun, and the food was really good. It was just a really fun experience. Not something I had any idea we were doing. And it was fun. We had a really good time. And it was Bridgerton themed, which if you know me, you know I love Bridgerton, so I love that. But yeah, so today both my parents are working, so I'm on my own today, which is okay because I have been locked in on this book, Throne of Secrets. I think I showed it. Yeah, I started it a couple days ago, but I am almost done with it. As you can see, I'm trying not to finish it though, because we're actually going to Yellowstone this weekend. I'm going camping, so I would like to have something to read. And if I finish this, what am I going to read? I don't know. So I am really enjoying it though. I really liked the first one, and I liked Kingdom of the Wicked. I don't know why I never read the rest of the Kingdom of the Wicked books. Those ones are kind of dark. This one doesn't seem dark at all. In fact, it's compared to like Bridgerton, but Kingdom of the Wicked was kind of dark in like a demon-y type way. But I should probably give them another chance because I've really enjoyed this one. I also got this cute puzzle. I was at a local bookstore in Boise with my friend, and they had this in a print, and I loved it, but it was kind of expensive. And so I saw that they had a puzzle version, and it's a mini puzzle. It's only 100 pieces. So I thought it'd be really cute to frame. But also I'm like, I should probably take this with us because that'd be an easy puzzle to do while we're camping. But my goal for today and probably tomorrow as we're like driving is to make a crocheted headscarf. I really wanted to make one. I've tried to make one before, but I think I used the wrong yarn. It just was like too thick. So I think I'm gonna try it with this cotton yarn and hopefully that works out. But yeah. Oh, I also made this yesterday. As I mentioned, my mom and I are on a beading kick. I haven't made one in a minute, but she's made a few this week. And I made this little pearl one. I wanted to like a choker style so I could wear it with other stuff, like layer it. But yeah, so I want to make homemade lemonade today. My mom had a bunch of lemons left over from a party she had last week, so I would like to make homemade lemonade that we can take with us. And I'm going to make blueberry muffins. So that will be fun. That is my plan for the day. I'm also meeting a friend from high school, and we're gonna go to happy hour, so it'll be nice to see her. Okay, we've got our blueberry muffins and our our lemonade, our homemade lemonade. The lemonade is pretty sweet. I feel like I added some water to mine and I feel like it was better. Haven't tried the muffins yet, but they look delicious.